Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the developer console with the owner account. Make sure two-factor authentication and recovery email are working. Once signed in, export or download any necessary project data, keys, or billing receipts because deletion is irreversible. Check team memberships and transfer ownership for shared assets. If you skip transfers, collaborators will lose access. Do this now so the rest of the process focuses only on account termination instead of salvaging lost resources later. Once you've prepared assets, navigate to the developer account or privacy settings and choose account deletion or close account. You'll be prompted to verify identity, enter 2FA codes or email confirmation, and complete any CAPTCHA checks. Read the summary of services slated for removal. Make sure subscriptions, domain links, and payment methods are listed correctly. When you confirm, the system will queue the deletion and display a final timeline. Note that some services may persist for billing or legal retention. You finish by confirming the deletion email and saving the confirmation or ticket number for your records. This proves what was requested and when. Make sure all payment methods and subscriptions were removed so you don't incur charges after closure. If the process fails, check that you're the listed owner, that 2FA codes are valid, and that no legal holds exist. If issues persist, contact support with timestamps and exported logs so they can resolve the hold and complete deletion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.